Hello, you lovely people. Let's have a little chat about something truly brilliant. Spinach. Maybe you remember it as that green stuff on the side of the plate your mum told you to eat. Or that old school sailor myth about instant muscles. Fun, sure, but there's so much more to it. Spinach is a proper kitchen hero. Cheap, cheerful, and everywhere. Add a handful to a smoothie, wilt it with garlic for a smashing side, or tuck it into a lovely lasagna. Its mild, earthy flavor makes everything better and healthier without stealing the show. From ancient fields in Persia to kitchens around the world today, people have felt its benefits for ages. It's an old-school superfood that isn't a fad. It's stood the test of time. First up, your lovely eyes. Spinach packs lutein and zeaxanthin, tiny bodyguards for your vision. They help protect against harsh sunlight and blue light from screens. Benefit number 2, bones. We think of milk, but spinach is a contender. It's loaded with vitamin K, helping your body use calcium to build sturdy bones. Next, heart health. Spinach nitrates become nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and easing blood pressure. Feeling sluggish? Spinach is a great source of iron, key for red blood cells that carry oxygen everywhere. Top up your iron and put a spring in your step. Keep your brain in tip-top shape. Antioxidants, folate, and vitamin K help protect against stress and inflammation. It's like a gentle spring clean for your mind. Your immune system is your personal army. Spinach brings vitamin C and A, superstars for strong defenses and white blood cells. Reinforcements that help you stay well through the seasons. For the active ones, spinach can help muscles work better and recover faster. Those nitrates help mitochondria use oxygen more efficiently. More energy with less strain, whether you run, hit the gym, or carry the shopping. Bonus, skin. Vitamin A helps regulate oil. Vitamin C supports collagen for firm, youthful-looking skin. Antioxidants help combat sun and pollution, so you can glow from the inside out. That green smoothie is good for your insides, and it shows on the outside too. Let's talk digestion. Happy gut, happy you. Spinach is a wonderful source of fiber, the unsung hero. Think of it as a gentle broom keeping everything moving. Hydration matters, and spinach helps. It's over 90% water, topping up fluids while you eat. Great for energy, skin, and focus. Spinach can help steady blood sugar. It contains alpha-lipoic acid, linked with beta-glucose control and insulin sensitivity. That means fewer spikes and crashes, more steady energy. Life gets hectic. Spinach brings magnesium, nature's relaxant. It supports your nervous system and a sense of calm. A warm bowl of wilted spinach can help you unwind after a long day. Getting started is easy. Toss a handful into bolognese, curry, or stew at the end. Blend it into your morning smoothie. You won't taste it, but your body will thank you. Or fold it through warm pasta with pesto for a quick win. Try baby spinach raw. Add strawberries, sprinkle nuts, drizzle a lovely vinaigrette. Spinach supports your eyes, bones, heart, brain, energy, immunity, and more. A delicious multivitamin you can eat.